Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook For You presents Pizza Cutlets. Step 1, making pizza cutlet stuffing. Add some oil in a wok. Add 250 grams boiled shredded chicken. Sauté 1 to 2 minutes. Add any toppings you love. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 bell pepper chopped, 1/4 cup frozen sweet corn. Add green chilies as per taste. Add some pickled jalapeños or olives. Stir fry 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, add all the seasonings. Season with salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon Italian seasonings or oregano or mixed herbs, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add some cilantro. Combine well. Sauté 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1/3 cup pizza sauce. Combine well. Pizza stuffing is ready. Remove in a bowl. Keep aside, let it cool down completely. Step 2, preparing potato mixture. Take 4 to 5 boiled potatoes. Mash it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 cup cornflour. Add some cilantro. Combine well. Mix and mash. Keep aside. Step 3, preparing coatings. Crack 2 eggs, add pinch of salt. Add some milk. Beat well. Keep aside. In another bowl, add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Keep aside. Once stuffing cool down completely, add 1/2 cup grated mozzarella cheese. Combine well. Step 4, making cutlet. Grease your palm with oil to prevent sticking. Now take some mashed potato. Flatten it. Put pizza stuffing in the center. Put mozzarella cheese cube or grated cheese. Seal it as shown. Again, take mashed potato. Flatten it. Add sufficient stuffing. Put cheese cube. Potato covers stuffing evenly. Make sure there isn't gaps or holes. If gaps or cracks, always patch it up with potato mixture. Repeat the same procedure to make more pizza cutlets. Flatten it. Put pizza stuffing in the center. Put cheese cube. Seal it as shown. Heat up the oil. Dip the cutlet first in the beaten eggs. Now coat with breadcrumbs. Coat properly. Put the cutlets into hot oil. Repeat the same procedure for remaining cutlets. Dip in the egg mixture. Coat with breadcrumbs. Place cutlet into oil. You can also freeze them like this. Once frozen, put in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. Use within 1 month. Flip the sides. Fry until crispy and golden brown. Remove it. Drain the excess oil. Time to plate. It goes very well with tomato ketchup. Do try this super delicious cheesy pizza cutlets recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Let me show you another one. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.